Hello smiling monsters, for our first video I will use the coronavirus situation to explain why misery is a choice. The world found an enormous amount of money to help us in this challenging time. We found that money because we need it. We need it to not lose what we have. I'm not talking about food or any essential services. I'm talking about our possessions, ink on paper. The thing is, people were already in need before the coronavirus, suffering beyond our comfortably numb imagination. I'm talking, for example, in majority about people working 15 hours a day in horrible environment, health and safety conditions, no hot showers, to eat rice and lentils every meal, probably for the rest of their lives. And in rare cases, but still true, parents in some villages selling their daughters as sex slaves because that's the business to survive. That was just one main example and a sometime forgotten one. So how come we never spend that money to help those in horrible conditions? I'm sure with that amount we could have done something. We still can, and I'm sure we will always be able to. The first example, we're all aware of it. We also know that sometimes people mean kids. Would we say it's a choice from our leaders, whoever they are, because it's them who manipulate the money, and us? This money is ours. We worked and paid for it. I don't know about you guys, but a fat bunch of this money is going to sustain very old and or very unhealthy people. I would much rather my taxes, my work, my life to help one of those kids, even if it's to only remove 10 seconds out of their 15 hours a day. They have to bust their balls off not to get beaten for the rest of their lives. It's not because they're further away that I care less. There are higher priorities and it needs to be tackled down now and not pushed away for more greediness. Just to be clear, I'm not saying we shouldn't help ourselves. Nobody deserves to suffer. I'm saying that our leaders, whoever they are bad, greedy people, and they made a greedy system. The misery of some made the happiness of others. But you can smile, you monsters.